When it comes to home security, many Covington homeowners think of alarm systems, motion sensors, and surveillance cameras. While these are all important tools for protecting your home, one critical element is often overlooked: your windows. The right windows, installed correctly and made with security in mind, can be one of the strongest lines of defense against intruders. In fact, upgrading to modern, high-security windows can significantly enhance the safety and peace of mind for your household. Whether you're renovating an older property or simply looking to upgrade your home's defenses, here's how new windows can play a major role in securing your Covington residence. Old windows pose a security risk. Many older homes in Covington still have original windows that are decades old. These windows often come with vulnerabilities that can make your home an easy target for break-ins. Thin, single-pane glass that can be shattered easily. Outdated locks that are flimsy with broken wood frames that prevent windows from closing and locking properly. Criminals tend to look for the easiest point of entry, and outdated windows make that decision simple. Windows are old, damaged, or loose-fitting, it's time to consider an upgrade, not just for energy efficiency, but for your safety as well. Stronger materials make a big difference. Modern window replacements are built with durability and security in mind. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames, these materials are designed to withstand both the elements and forced entry attempts. Many high-security windows also come with reinforced locks, steel components, and impact-resistant glass that's difficult to break or penetrate. In Covington, where both urban and suburban homes exist in close proximity, having robust materials can deter opportunistic intruders and protect your home from accidental damage as well. Impact-resistant glass adds extra protection. One of the best security features available in modern windows is impact-resistant or laminated glass. Originally developed to withstand extreme weather, such as storms and hurricanes, this glass also offers an added layer of security against intruders. Impact-resistant windows feature 2 layers of glass bonded with a durable interlayer. If someone tries to break the glass, it may crack, but it won't shatter or fall apart, making it extremely difficult to get through quickly or quietly. In many cases, this delay is enough to deter a would-be burglar altogether. Advanced locking systems for peace of mind. Today's replacement windows come with multi-point locking systems that secure the window sash to the frame at several points. Unlike older windows with a single latch, these locks provide a tighter seal and make it significantly harder for someone to force the window open. Additionally, many security-conscious Covington homeowners choose to install keyed locks or sash locks on their new windows, giving them more control over their home's safety without compromising aesthetics. Professional installation is key. Even the best security windows won't protect your home if they're installed improperly. Gaps, misalignments, or poor sealing can all become weak points. That's why it's essential to choose a reputable window installation professional in Covington who knows how to secure your windows tightly and ensure all locking systems work flawlessly. Local professionals also understand Covington's unique architectural styles and weather patterns, making them better equipped to install windows that are both functional and protected. Security without sacrificing style. Modern security windows don't have to look industrial or uninviting. With today's innovations, you can enjoy beautiful, stylish windows that also provide maximum protection. From classic double-hung designs to elegant picture windows, you don't have to choose between curb appeal and security. Final thought. If you want to increase the safety of your Covington home, upgrading your windows is a smart and effective move. New windows can reinforce your home's most vulnerable points, deter intruders, and give you peace of mind, all while improving energy efficiency and enhancing your home's appearance. To get the most out of your investment, trust a local Covington window expert to guide you through the best security options and ensure a professional installation that keeps your home